I'm J.B. Ruhl. I'm the David Daniels Allen Distinguished Chair in Law here at Vanderbilt. I'm also the co-director of the Energy, Environment, and Land Use Program, and I serve as the faculty director of the Program on Law and Innovation. My research really traces its roots back to when I was in law practice for 12 years prior to entering teaching. I focused on what could be called the federal environmental law of land use development. So I worked with clients to help them navigate through the Endangered Species Act, National Environmental Policy Act, wetlands regulation. Over time, I really expanded to include ecosystem management, the discipline of ecosystem services, and a broader sort of focus on social ecological systems and how we manage not just ecosystems, but the human systems that use them and also have an impact on them. We have to manage those as a unit. I've focused increasingly on climate change adaptation and how we both help ecosystems and other species manage the threats of climate change over time, but also how human society and human settlements and communities will manage climate change adaptations such as sea level rise, wildfires, all of those natural disasters we're seeing in the recent years, but also the long-term increases in temperature, increases in species and ecosystem disruption. And that's really become the major focus of my research in recent years. Since I arrived at Vanderbilt Law School 12 years ago, I have taught property in the first-year curriculum. I love teaching in the first-year curriculum. The students are eager, they're enthusiastic, and it's a foundational course they need to succeed in the upper-level classes. I've taught climate change governance the past several years, and the hope there is to allow our students to engage in this broad global issue with fluency and wherever they wind up working to understand how climate change affects their practice. I also teach a class called Law 2050, and that's designed to help students navigate the very dynamic world of legal practice. It's no longer just show up, do good work, make partner. There's much more to it now, and there are higher expectations at those younger levels in a law firm or other legal institutions.